If you or your child are not feeling well, or if you have a minor injury and you cannot get in to see your regular physician for days or even weeks, or you don't have a regular doctor, what are your options, especially if it's not an actual emergency? As Doug Johnson reports, some people may have misconceptions about what could be an excellent option.
It looks like a lot of other doctors' offices, but the Baptist Minor Medical Center in Cordova is different than the standard office. Minor meds fill a need for people when they need to see a doctor in a hurry. A common misconception is that minor meds are just for bumps, bruises, and other immediate personal care. Some people don't realize that the center offers medical care and treatment in situations when you're not physically ill or injured.
We do a lot of workers' compensation cases here. We also work with a number of companies in the area. We will do DOT or Department of Transportation physicals for drivers that come in, and usually that is arranged through their company. We also do sports participation physicals and pre-employment physicals.
There are a number of things that people can have treated at a minor medical center, keeping in mind that this is urgent care, but not an emergency room. A quick example of minor med services include treatment for sprains and strains, cuts, coughs, cold and flu symptoms, sore throats and sinus infections, ear and eye infections, and some lab and x-ray services. Minor meds are not substitutes for emergency rooms, though. For serious injuries, especially life-threatening injuries, people should always head to the ER. But minor meds do provide urgent care that's usually cheaper than the ER, and insurance will often cover the visit.
Urgent care can be considered, depending on your insurance company, can be considered either specialty care, or some companies do have an urgent care copay.
Another area where people get the wrong idea about minor meds is when children are involved. As long as they're at least a year old, Baptist Minor Meds do offer pediatric medical care.
We do see pediatrics at all of our Baptist Minor Medical Centers across the area. In fact, our new center here in Cordova, we're trying to make this our flagship clinic, and we do have several things that are pediatric friendly.
Minor medical clinics aren't set up to provide ongoing primary care, but they can provide details on the care they give patients so that those patients can take the information back to their regular physicians. For Smart Medicine, I'm Doug Johnson.